Alright, so our goal here is rationalize the denominator, and we have the fraction 9 up top, and the denominator is square root of 3t. And rationalizing the denominator means we don't want any roots in the denominator, so we have to figure out a way to get rid of those. And the best way we know is to multiply so that all the roots will cancel out. So we have a square root in the bottom, and to get rid of square roots you can pull out pairs, so we need to match everything that's already here. So we have a 3t under a root, so we can put another 3t under a root on the bottom. Now if we do it on the bottom, we have to do it on the top, so that we're really just multiplying by 1. And what this does up top is it just probably gives us something a little bit worse, 9 times the square root of 3t. But on the bottom, square root of 3t times square root of 3t all goes under one root, so there's a pair of 3's. Let me get some color here. So there's a pair of 3's that can come out. And there's also a pair of t's that can come out. So that means there's no more roots on the bottom. So now I have 9 square roots of 3t up top and 3t on the bottom. So we did rationalize. There's no more roots on the bottom. One thing we can do is simplify a little bit, because 9 over 3 is 3. So we have 3 square roots of 3t on top and just t on the bottom. And this t on top is under a root. The t on the bottom is not. So they don't interact very easily to reduce unless you want to go to a rational exponent, which we haven't covered at this point. Alright, so that would be our final answer.